You know, a lot of times touch-up paint jobs really only need a couple of drops of paint. So here's a quick tip for getting those tiny amounts where they need to go every time. Now all you really need is a plastic squeeze bottle and a funnel. Then just pour the paint after the very first time you've painted through the funnel into the squeeze bottle. Now you can go ahead and pour as much in there as you have and let it fill up the bottle. Now you want to be sure to label the bottle, making sure to note the room that you're painting in. Now you'll have a nice amount of paint for your future touch-ups. I'm just going to write on here, living room. Now all you have to do when you're ready to touch up that spot is just put a couple of drops of paint on your paintbrush or even a paper towel will work, and then you can touch up the spot fast and easy.